Hello everyone and welcome to another Go High Level tutorial. Today we're going to learn how to set up TikTok ads event tracking in Go High Level. We're going to go straight to the point. Before we do that, make sure you like the video, subscribe to the channel. It helps tremendously to create new content, so thank you very much in advance. And let's get started. First of all, there are two steps that we need to go through. Step number one, we need to make sure that the TikTok pixel is installed in all the steps of our funnel. How are we going to do this? We're going to navigate to our TikTok Ads Manager. We are going to select Tools here from the top menu, and we're going to say Events. We're going to click on Events here. Once we navigate to our Events Manager, we're going to go to Data Sources right here, and we are going to click on our pixel. So we're going to click on our pixel here, and now we're going to go to Settings. So we're going to come here to Settings. We're going to scroll a little bit down, and we are going to find here Install Base Code. We're going to say View Instructions, and we are going to copy the TikTok pixel tracking code. Now we're going to go to Go High Level. We're going to go to Funnels. We're going to click on our funnel, and we are going to go to Settings here. Once we go to Settings, we're going to paste this tracking code under Body Tracking Code, and don't forget to save so that this tracking code is going to be in every step of your funnel. This is step number one. In order to set up event tracking, first we need the TikTok pixel to be installed in all the steps of our funnel. Next step, step number two, we want to track certain events. What you need to do is you need to navigate to this link. I have it in the video description. And here you're going to find all the TikTok standard events. And let's say that we want to set up an event which is called Initiate Checkout. So let's say step number two of our funnel is the event that is called Initiate Checkout. We're going to copy this string of text, Initiate Checkout. After we copy the code of the standard event, we are going to go to an AI tool, let's say ChatGPT. We're going to paste it in here, and we are going to say to the system, please add opening and closing script tags to format the above as a standard event for TikTok pixel. It's very important to mention that this is for the TikTok pixel. Right? So then you are going to press enter, and the system will give you this script tag. Now you are going to copy the code, and you are going to navigate back to Go High Level. Once we are here in Go High Level, we're going to go to the step where we want to set up the standard event. So let's say step number two is the Initiate Checkout. We are going to click on Edit. We are going to click on the Edit button. And once the screen opens, we're going to go to the top left-hand side, and we're going to click here, Tracking Code. So we're going to click here on the tracking code. We're going to go to footer tracking, and we're going to paste this script here, and we are going to click save. And that's it, basically. That's how you can set up TikTok ads event tracking in Go High Level funnels. One more time, there are two steps. Step number one, you need the TikTok pixel to be installed in all the funnel steps, meaning you're going to copy the TikTok pixel tracking code as we showed before. You're going to go to Go High Level Settings. You're going to paste it under the body tracking. And then you're going to go to this link. I have it in the video description. You are going to select the standard event that you want to install. You're going to go to ChatGPT on any AI tool. You are going to basically ask the system to add the opening and closing script tags and format this code as per standard event for TikTok pixel. The system will give you the tag. You're going to copy the tag. Then you're going to go to your step where you want to track basically this action. You're going to go to tracking code, footer tracking. You're going to paste it in, save, and that's it. That's all for today. Let me know if you have any questions in the comments below. If you want to work with me, there are links in the video description. Thank you very much for watching, and have a great day in any time zone. Bye, everyone.